Welcome to my channel. Let me teach you how to solve this type of exponential equation here on the board. We have if 8 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equals 48. We have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Let's put down here solution. I bring down the question here. 8 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equals 48. First, we are going to express the left hand side of the equation to base 2. Now we are going to have here 8 to base 2 give us 2 to the power of 3, then multiply by x, minus 4 to the base of 2 give us 2 to power of 2 times x equals 48. Then here, this can also be expressed as 2 to the power of x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of x to the power of 2 equals 48. Now, we are going to assign a variable to represent 2 to the power of x. Now, let's say m equals 2 to the power of x. That is, wherever you see 2 to the power of x, you substitute m. In that case, the equation becomes m to the power of 3 minus m to the power of 2 equals 48. Now, in this equation, m to the power of 2 is common at the left-hand side of the equation. As such, we are going to factor it out. And the equation becomes m to the power of 2 into m minus 1 equals 48. Then, now, we can also express 48 as a product of 16 and 3. Then, in that case, the equation becomes m to the power of 2 into m minus 1 equals 16 multiplied by 3. Then here, we are going to compare the left-hand side of the equation to the right-hand side of the equation. Then as such, we are going to have this equals this and this to be equal this. Then as such, we have m to the power of 2 equals 16 and also m minus 1 equals 3. Then from this equation 1, we are going to have that m square equals 16 can also be expressed as 4 to the power of 2. And here we have that m equals 3. If you move negative 1 down here, it becomes plus. Then here, since the powers are the same, we are going to equate the base. Then as such, m equals 4. Also here, m equals 3 plus 1. That gives us 4. Therefore, m equals 4. Then recall that you set m to be equals 2 to the power of x. Therefore, from here, we have m equals 2 to the power of x. Then here, wherever you see m, you substitute 4. Therefore, we have 4 equals 2 to the power of x. Then here, this is base 2. Then express 4 also in base 2. And the equation becomes 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4 equals 2 to the power of x. Since they have the same base, we are going to equate the powers. Therefore, x equals 2, and this is the value of x that will satisfy this equation here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.